here. It'll be this one and this one here. What are we waiting for on the compliance, right? What's going to be the reset? All right. Good morning, Mike.
Good morning, Judge.
All right. Here we go. Here we go. Court will resume with the April 18, 2022 docket. I have here CR 20-08466D, Oscar Cancino, as well as CR 22-00727D, Oscar Cancino. Mr. Ramirez, can you hear me? I know I see his name on the screen. Is he up? All right.
I'm gonna bring Sahari and his.
Okay. Mr. Cancino, can you hear me?
He's trying to mute.
You need to unmute, sir.
Yes, Your Honor.
There you go. Okay, good morning.
Good
morning.
Your attorney was logged on and then he went out. Let me see if I can get him back on.
Take care of Sahari.
Well, hold on just a minute, Mr. Cancino. Let me hit another case here. Mr. Sahari, good morning. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir, I can. Good morning, Judge.
Good morning, sir. Is your case Joanna Rivera Cantu?
It is, Judge.
CR 18-14-613D, Joanna Rivera Cantu. What I'm gonna need here is for her to, she's connecting.
Oh, I thought she was already on. She should be
It'll be a plea, right, sir?
Yes, sir, it is.
All right.
Connecting.
Okay, even Mr. Rene Ramirez is connected as well.
He's got audio.
All right, can you hear me, Mr. Ramirez? You need to unmute, Mr. Ramirez.
You getting in the moment?
Okay, Mr. Cancino, good morning, sir.
Morning, sir. Good morning, Your Honor.
We're here on the compliance portion of the case here, which is on the regarding the interlock device. Did you ever get it?
Yes, Your Honor. That was installed the day after the hearing on Friday, and I did forward to my attorney the certificate of installation
Okay.
and the invoice.
Okay, excellent. Under which vendor was it? What the name of the company?
I believe it's Interlock, under American Interlock out of.
Okay. American. All right, here we go.
I'm
So
on,
therefore, good morning, Mr. Ramirez.
So I'm sorry, Judge.
No problem, no problem. Look, we're going to get you a pre-trial date here of October 25th, 2023. October 25th, 2023 at 9 a.m. October 25th, 2023, which is next year at 9 a.m. If Mr. Ramirez, you need us to bump up the case, just let the court know.
Yes, Your Honor, we'll be submitting some documents, Judge, and
Okay.
I will let you know, Your Honor. Thank you.
And you let us know, we'll get you another date. Okay, you both are excused. You'll have a great day.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, Mr. Cancino, just remember, sir, please no alcohol consumption while the case is pending. Okay, sir?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, you're excused. Thank you, sir. Bye-bye.
I'm gonna disconnect Joanna so she can log on.
All right.
She's still connecting.
All right, Mr. Hari, we cannot get a Joanna.
Okay, I can go ahead and just text her and ask her to relog back
Okay.
in, Judge.
Yes, we're gonna kick her out and then she'll come back on.
Okay, let me go ahead and just text her.
All right, here we go.
Wanna thank Mike for logging on. He's on vacation.
That's right, Mike. Wow, your office looks better today. Did you get a promotion or something, Mike?
Judge.
You got a better background out there, man. Looks like you got a promotion to give you a bigger office or something. All right, Jessica, good morning. How you doing?
Good morning, Judge. Good, thank you.
All right.
Is it Enrique Peña logged on? It's a compliance hearing.
All right.
I don't think he has it because he emailed me this morning on how to do it.
All right. I have an iPhone there. I don't know who it is, but
Oh, okay.
Enrique Peña, that the other. Enrique Peña, you're right. I got him on. There's the iPhone. I just need to know who it is.
That's the gentleman that is at least supposed to have an appointment.
Okay, Mr. Peña, Enrique Peña, you need to unmute. All right, Mr. Peña, can you hear me? I think it's Mr. Peña, right? On the
Unless
iPhone?
it's Juan Montoya.
Need to ask what name.
All right, what's your name, sir? iPhone?
Juan Montoya.
Okay, Mr. Montoya. You're here for a plea, right, sir?
Yes.
Your attorney is Victor Jaramillo.
He has not logged on.
He has not checked in. So hold on just a minute, okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Judge, let me
And
text
Miss-
him. Let me text Mr. Jaramillo right now, Judge.
All right, thank you, bailiff. Okay. There's Joanna again. All right, we see Joanna now. She's connecting.
She's turning.
All right, you need to unmute Miss Rivera, Miss Cantu.
Yes.
All right,
Yes,
good
sir.
morning, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Your case, CR 18-14-613D, Joanna Rivera Cantu, is an assault class A misdemeanor. Please raise your right hand. You swear the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
All right, you can put your hand down. Your charge is assault class A misdemeanor. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that?
Yes.
You understand that you're entitled to a jury trial, you're entitled to an appeal, and that you waived those two rights?
Yes, sir.
Okay, have you ever been declared mentally incompetent?
No, sir.
You understand that the court does not have to follow the recommendation when you give a plea?
Yes.
And what is your plea, ma'am? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
And are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
All right, state.
Yes, Judge. State offer plea document and offense report as Exhibit 1. Notification and certification of defendant right of appeal as Exhibit 2. Waiver of Article 39.14 disclosure as Exhibit 3. Waiver of risk and need assessment as Exhibit 4. State would also request defense counsel to stipulate in venue and jurisdiction of this honorable court, and to also stipulate the evidence has been filed sufficient to plead guilty.
No objection, so stipulated, Your Honor.
Without objection, so admitted. It'll be the judgment of the court. The defendant is guilty as charged. And our recommendation, state?
Yes, Judge. The state recommends $300 fine, court costs, 1 year Hidalgo County Jail, probate for 16 months. The anger management by Mujeres Unidas program, the 20 commissioners hours, and the defendant should stay away from the victim, Alfonso Rodriguez.
Alfonso Rodriguez. Stay away, okay? Away. All right. Now, Mr. Sahari, is that the understanding, sir?
Yes, sir, it is. Just a couple of requests, Judge.
Okay.
Ms. Cantu will be pleading to a felony charge this Wednesday. We needed to get this misdemeanor out of the way, and I appreciate the court's time and consideration in this matter.
Okay.
Judge, we're requesting any consideration on the fine, the court costs, the community service hours, and the probationary fee, only because she will be on a felony probation, subject to the scope.
And she'll be paying those fees over there?
She will, Judge. She does have a fine. There is some restitution involved, so the financial aspect of it does present a problem for her.
Okay, I'll tell you what. No, let's waive the community hours. I guess. Well, I'm gonna let probation. I'm gonna instruct the probation department to go ahead and waive the fine and court costs when, in fact, she does plead guilty in the other case, and of course the supervision fees and community hours.
Thank you.
Okay,
Judge.
Ms.
Very
Ramirez.
much appreciated.
Yeah, once she pleads over those minutes, just make sure she gets a one fine, one court cost, whether it's this one or the family court.
Yes, Judge, I will.
Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, so that'll be the judgment there, Ms. Cantu. Good luck with the other plea, okay, ma'am?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
May we be
Bye-bye.
excused, Judge?
You may be excused. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
All right, who do we have
I'm
next?
gonna bring in this. I don't know who this person is. We need to ask him.
Okay.
It's Joy.
Right there?
No.
Oh.
That's Aramio's client.
Okay.
Judge,
Yes, sir.
on Mr. Jaramillo's case, he just texted me that Mr. Miro Arredondo was going to be filling in for him. He's trying to verify that right now.
Okay. Very well.
What case are they here?
Okay. I know that Liz checked in. What's your name, man?
Jason.
Yeah, you need to unmute.
What
I'm
case
sorry,
are they?
it's Elizabeth
Yes.
Garcia.
Yes, ma'am. Which is your case?
The TRO hearing for
Which one?
1523 Orchid Avenue in McAllen.
We need a case number.
Oh, yeah, the case number. Is it the Rosalba Rico case?
No, I can get you the cause number.
I got it. You know what? It's Elizabeth Garcia
Yes,
versus Julie Martin.
yes.
Here, number 2.
But who is she?
Yeah, and you are Elizabeth, man?
Yes.
Elizabeth Williams Garcia.
Did you log on twice, ma'am?
I don't.
Are you?
think
I have another Elizabeth Garcia here.
Okay. And you are, okay. Yeah, we have another
Who is
Liz.
this Elizabeth Garcia?
There's another Elizabeth Garcia.
so. Maybe I accidentally did. I don't know. I'm sorry.
Okay. Okay. Let's bring in the other Elizabeth Garcia.
Dismiss this one. Okay, so on
You wanna
this
bring in
case, we
Juan?
have Juan Pequeño, I'm assuming.
Which one? On this case as well?
Carla Bain for Julie Martin.
Let's see here.
Right there.
All right. Good morning, Miss Bayi. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
All right. Good morning, ma'am. CL 221112D. You're here on the Elizabeth Williams Garcia versus Julie Martin.
Yes, I am, Your Honor.
All right. And your name is Carla Bayi. All right. And you're here for defendant, right, ma'am?
Yes, Julie Martin.
Okay. It's a TRO, temporary restraining order, right, ma'am?
Correct.
All right. And I believe the Miss Elizabeth Garcia is here pro se. You don't have an attorney, right, Miss Garcia?
Mr. Pequeño should be there as well.
Oh, okay. All right.
We just, yes.
Juan Pequeño.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Pequeño. I believe you're here on CL 221112D, Elizabeth Garcia versus Julie Martin.
That's correct, Your Honor. Juan Pequeño here appearing for Ms. Garcia. Judge, this is set for a temporary restraining order. Ms. Garcia did file this pro se. I believe she was represented at one point by another attorney. And anyway, I just got contacted by her late Thursday. I'm trying to get a grasp of what exactly is going on. And it seems to me like there may be a pretty detailed history here. So what I would request, Judge, is some additional time and a reset date so I can get more familiar with the case and see if I'll be continuing to be involved in it. This does pertain to a foreclosure. It is a temporary restraining order again that she filed pro se. I saw that Ms. Bayi is representing the defendants. I don't know if a foreclosure has occurred, if that's anything that the defendant, counsel for the defendant can verify.
I would have to verify, but I don't believe the foreclosure took place, but I'm not 100% positive on that. Obviously, our position at this time is that Ms. Garcia actually named Julie Martin as the defendant, and she is just a substitute trustee. She is not the holder of the mortgage or the servicer. So it should be dismissed with regards to the defendant.
To Julie Martin, the substitute trustee, right?
Correct. So she
Okay.
is not the correct party to be named in this lawsuit.
All right.
Judge, if that's an issue that, we need to address, we can address that. Like I said, Ms. Garcia obviously does not want to lose her home. This is a family home, and this is a home equity lien, is my understanding. And so, in a hurry, I think she was given some legal guidance by somebody, not by myself, just to be clear, on filing this in order to try and save this property and stop the foreclosure. And name this person who I assume is a trustee. And if that needs to be addressed and that's not an appropriate party, we can amend pleadings or address that at that point in time.
Okay, what the court will do here is reset this to allow you to amend the pleadings, and hopefully then Ms. Martin will be out on a non-suit or something. May 2nd? May 2nd at 2 p.m.? May 2nd, 2 p.m.
Okay.
Judge,
Okay.
Ms. Bain, may I have your contact information just so I can touch base with you?
Yes, it's the letter K, B as in boy, ALLI, at mwzmlaw.com. That's M as in Mackie, Wolf, Zions man. So it's a Z as in Zions.
Got it. And best number to reach you at?
Is 214-635-2684.
Got it.
All right then. May 2nd, 2 p.m. Thank you all very much. You'll be excused. Have a great day.
All right, thank you. You too.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
We can do number 4.
Number 4.
Mr. Arredondo is in for Victor Arredondo.
All right, Mr. Redondo, good morning, sir. You're here for Juan Montoya, right, sir?
Correct, Judge. I'm sitting in for Mr. Victor Jaramillo.
Yes, sir. You're standing in for Mr. Victor Jaramillo in CR 22-02012D, Juan Montoya. It'll be a plea, right, sir?
Yes, Judge. President, ready for.
All right, Mr. Montoya, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
All right, good morning, sir. Please raise your right hand. You swear the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
You may put your hand down. Once again, CR 22-02012D, Juan Montoya, your charge, Class A misdemeanor, failure to ID, which carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you're entitled to a jury trial, you're entitled to an appeal. Did you waive those two rights?
Yes.
Have you ever been declared mentally incompetent?
No, sir.
You understand that the court does not have to follow the recommendation after you give a plea?
Yes.
And what is your plea, sir? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
All right, state.
Yes, Judge. State offer plea document and offense report as State Exhibit 1. Notification and certification of defendant right of appeal as State Exhibit 2. Waiver of Article 39.14 disclosure as State Exhibit 3. Waiver of risk and need assessment as State Exhibit 4. State would also request defense counsel to stipulate in the venue and jurisdiction of this honorable court, and to also stipulate that evidence has been filed sufficient to cover plead guilty.
There's no objection, Your Honor. We so agree and stipulate to all of the state's requests.
Without objection, so admitted. It'll be the judgment of the court. The defendant is guilty as charged. In a recommendation, state?
Yes, Judge. The state recommends $200 fine, court costs, 1 year in Hidalgo County Jail, probate for 6 months, a life skill course, and 20 community service hours.
6 months probation, right, sir?
Yes, Judge.
Life skills and 20 community hours. All right, court will hereby waive the community hours. Anything else, Mr. Arredondo?
Yes, sir. Judge, we ask that this honorable court waive condition number 7, Judge. Mr. Montoya works out in Los Angeles, Judge. Also, if he can report by mail, Judge.
Okay, waive paragraph 7. which is a restriction to the county. He may leave and then report by mail.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, that'll do it, Mr. Montoya. Good luck with your probation and good luck, sir.
Thank you,
Have a good
sir.
day. All right.
Thank
Thank you,
Judge.
Mr. Redondo. Yes, sir. Yes, you. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Criminal case so that we can let go of Jessica and Mike.
All right, which is this one here? Oh, Mr. Guerra, right? Oh, how about CR 22-02075D, Enrique Peña? Enrique Peña, let me see here. I don't see him in the waiting room at all. It's already about 10:20. It's what, 10:21?
Yes.
Set for, okay, and it's the 10 o'clock docket. Okay, it'll be a nice eye then. CR 22-02075D, Enrique Peña, nice eye.
And Mr. Guerra.
Mr. Guerra?
The attorney, one.
Morning, the one Guerra. I see him there in dark. Let me see if I can.
That's the other Guerra, not the one on the computer. This is Juan Frank Guerra. The one that.
Yes, sir.
I know.
Are you calling my case, Your Honor?
But I see Mr. Guerra there in the skin.
I know, but that's not the Guerra that we're talking about.
I know.
But he doesn't know.
Oh, Mr. Guerra, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Your case is a civil case, right, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, we cleared that up already. Yes, on the nice side, the attorney is Juan Francisco, is Juan Guerra, but that's the case which is nice side, right?
Right.
All right. But Mr. Guerra here is on a civil case.
That's it for the criminal. So Mike and.
Oh, yeah,
Thank you,
that's it
Juan
for the
Guerra.
criminal. Mike, thank you so much for showing up. And everybody else can leave except the court reporter, I guess, and Mr. Bailiff. Thank you, Mr. Bailiff. Thank you, Mike.
Thank you, Judge.
Bye-bye.
Your excuse.
Bye.
Bye-bye. All right, one more time. Let's go here to Mr. Juan Angel Guerra. There we go.
The other one is Juan Frank Guerra.
Right, right. It
Good
just
morning,
happened
Judge.
that we had two Guerras today at the same time, but we cleared that up already. Mr. Guerra, you're here on CL 22-1093D, Rosalba Rico versus Matthew Hansen, right, sir?
Yes, sir. This is a temporary restraining order. We did serve the other party. They haven't answered, but I'd like to give them an opportunity. If you can extend it, this is the first time extended for the 14 days, and I'll see if I can get in touch with the attorneys. I worked with them before.
All right, it'll be May 2nd. May 2nd, 2 p.m.
May 2nd, 2 p.m.
May 2nd, 2 p.m. Yes, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, that'll do it. Thank you very much. Your excuse.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes, sir. Bye. That it for right now?
Yes, Judge.
Yes.
I believe Mr. Frank